In this video, let us discuss wave propagation in a conducting medium or lossy medium. A lossy dielectric is a medium in which EM wave loses its power as it propagates through the medium, or lossy dielectric is a partially conducting medium, imperfect dielectric or imperfect conductor with sigma is not equal to 0. We have a wave equation in terms of E bar as del square E bar minus mu epsilon dou square E bar by dou t square equal to del of rho v by epsilon plus mu dou j bar by dou t. Assume a linear isotropic homogeneous lossy dielectric medium that has some conductivity sigma and there are no free charges. There is rho v equal to 0 and j bar equal to sigma E bar. Therefore, del square E bar minus mu epsilon dou square E bar by dou t square equal to sigma mu dou E bar by dou t. Del square E bar minus mu epsilon dou square E bar by dou t square equal to minus sigma mu dou E bar by dou t equal to 0, which is EM wave equation in conducting medium in terms of E bar. To find solution for wave equation in conducting medium, consider sinusoidal variations, that is E bar equal to E naught bar e power j omega t, dou E bar by dou t equal to E naught bar j omega e power j omega t equal to j omega E bar. Dou square E bar by dou t square equal to j square omega square E bar. Therefore, the equation 415 becomes del square E bar minus mu epsilon j square omega square E bar minus sigma mu j omega E bar equal to 0. Del square E bar minus j omega mu into sigma plus j omega epsilon E bar equal to 0. Replace j omega into sigma plus j omega epsilon with gamma square, where gamma is the propagation constant of the medium measured in terms of reciprocal meters. Therefore, the above equation becomes del square E bar minus gamma square E bar equal to 0. Similar procedure can be applied to equation 4-5 and we can obtain EM wave equation in conducting medium in terms of H bar. Del square H bar minus gamma square H bar equal to 0. Equations 16 and 17 are known as homogeneous vector Helmholtz equations or vector wave equations in conducting medium. If the wave is traveling along x direction, its Ex component is 0 and dou square E bar by dou z square and dou square E bar by dou y square equal to 0. Therefore, equation 416 becomes dou square E bar by dou x square minus gamma square E bar equal to 0. Consider only the y component of E bar, that is E bar equal to E by Ay bar, then dou square Ey by dou x square minus gamma square Ey equal to 0. The solution for the above differential equation is Ey equal to C1 e power minus gamma x plus C2 e power gamma x. The displacement Ey of t at any time in y direction can be written as y of t equal to Ey e power j omega t equal to C1 e power minus gamma x plus C2 e power gamma x into e power j omega t. C1 e power j omega t minus gamma x plus C2 e power j omega t plus gamma x. We know that gamma is a complex quantity, so replace gamma with alpha plus j beta. Ey of t equal to C1 e power j omega t minus alpha x minus j beta x plus C2 e power j omega t plus alpha x plus j beta x. Consider the first term, that is C1 e power j omega t minus j beta x into e power minus alpha x. From e power minus alpha x, we can say that the amplitude of the wave will be decaying as it travels along x direction. Alpha is a measure of spatial rate of decay of the wave in the medium and is called attenuation constant or attenuation coefficient of the medium measured in Napier's per meter. 1 Napier equal to 20 log E base 10 equal to 8.686 decibels. And beta is a measure of the phase shift per unit length and is called phase constant wave number measured in radians per meter. In terms of beta, the wave velocity v and wavelength lambda are respectively given by v equal to omega by beta, lambda equal to 25 by beta. Let us evaluate alpha and beta in terms of mu, epsilon, omega and sigma. We know gamma square equal to j square mu epsilon omega square plus j omega mu sigma equal to minus mu epsilon omega square plus j omega mu sigma, and from gamma equal to alpha plus j beta, gamma square equal to alpha square minus beta square plus 2j alpha beta. Comparing alpha square minus beta square equal to minus mu epsilon omega square and 2 alpha beta equal to omega mu sigma. For simplicity, denote mu epsilon omega square equal to a square and omega mu sigma equal to b square. Minus alpha square minus beta square equal to minus a square. 2 alpha beta equal to b square. On squaring and adding equations above, we get alpha square minus beta square whole square plus 4 alpha square beta square equal to a power 4 plus b power 4. Alpha square plus beta square whole square equal to a power 4 plus b power 4. Alpha square plus beta square equal to square root of a power 4 plus b power 4. Add equations 4.21, 4.23. We get 2 alpha square equal to minus a square plus square root of a power 4 plus b power 4. Alpha square equal to minus a square by 2 plus half square root of a power 4 plus b power 4. Alpha equal to square root of minus a square by 2 plus half square root of a power 4 plus b power 4. Substituting a square and b square, we get, and it is simplified as alpha equal to omega square root of mu epsilon half into square root of 1 plus omega by sigma by omega epsilon square minus 1 whole power half. Subtracting, we get beta, and substituting a square and b square and simplifying, we get beta equal to omega square root mu epsilon into half into square root of 1 plus sigma by omega epsilon square plus 1 whole power half.